Many people have realized these days that when it comes to smartphones, you can get the same features and quality as the really expensive Apple and Samsung phones in products from manufacturers that are not as well known. If performance is what truly matters to you and not just a brand name that you can flash around, our phone today will not that this company hasn't made a name for itself in electronics products. Our smartphone today comes from Kata, the multinational electronics products maker with a strong presence in the US.
Here we go.
The C2 5.5-inch Super HD IPS quad-core phone works on the Android 6.0 Marshmallow system and is particularly popular for its high image quality that can compete with, and even beat, phones that are as much as 4 times more expensive than it. Its 5.5-inch Super HD display with 1280 by 720 pixels is perfect for images that look ultra-real. Its groundbreaking technology makes your videos, games and photos look astonishingly better than they ever have before, and also gives super fast response to all your browsing. Aiding the Kata C2 in its speed is its super fast 1.3 GHz quad-core processor with 1 GB RAM, 8 GB ROM and 32 GB extendable microSD storage support. With this phone you don't need to worry about extra storage for all your music, photos and important files, because it gives you a free 35 GB cloud backup powered by Kata Cloud. This elegant phone comes in a stylish white colour and weighs just 6.6 ounces, and at just 0.2 inches. This is also one of the thinnest phones you would have used till now, which is amazing given the power it packs inside its slim body. Adding to the great design are the 2 strong performing cameras. The 13 megapixel camera with HD recording at the back, and the 5 megapixel one on the front will let you capture all the best moments of your life and share them easily with your friends through the dual SIM card GSM system. Let's see how the Kata C2 fares in its reviews. It gets an average of 2.9 on 5 stars from over 200 reviewers. The phone's good looks and its screen's superior performance compared to iPhones seems to have won many fans, as has the really competitive pricing. For many reviewers, it is proven to be an ideal gift for family members mainly interested in the dual SIM feature or the regular entertainment options. That's all we have on the Kata C2 5.5-inch Super HD IPS quad-core for you. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Don't think this one's for you? Take a look at some of our other smartphone reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.